the wind in the trees
and
things like
you can
that.
hear that.
Yeah, and it's me going, hear that? That's the sound of a great place to live. It was one of those really selling, hey, come on out to a less trafficked area and buy a beautiful home out here. So I did this whole spot. Well, I come to work one day, and of course, the guys I worked with have replaced all my nature sounds with fart noises. And so it's me. It was hysterical. Hear that? That's the sound of a beautiful place for a home. It's like burping and farting instead of my beautiful nature sounds.
It's like unnecessary.
Which is absolutely hysterical for a party joke or for the Christmas party or whatever. But
that's parody law. You can actually do that legally under parody law.
But would it make me happy if I heard that?
No, it wouldn't.
And what if it was somebody across town?
Did you ever hear about dumb Starbucks that opened up in California?
Dumb Starbucks.
Dumb Starbucks. Under parody law, it was okay because it was called dumb Starbucks. They used everything the same except they put dumb in front of it. So it was like a dumb cappuccino.
Wow.
Dumb.
Yeah. Parody for one thing, but when that person starts to make a lot of money off of taking something that I did, using it out of context, and using it totally in a different way than it was intended to be used, there's legal, and then there's just personal offense.
I think dumb Starbucks got shut down.
Yeah.
But it was a few days.
Yeah.
There was a dumb and they're like, yeah, we checked the lawyer.
Some of it is just
because everybody in their right mind knows it's Starbucks, but they're copying it.
It's like, is there a professional courtesy in there, even if something is legal? It's like, can you meet the letter of the law and still be offensive to the other creative people out there? And would it be okay if they did the same thing to you? And in some cases, I'm sure people that do the mashups and do the parodies and things like that, yeah, that's what they do. They're fine with it. They're okay.
I was going to ask you, one of the main reason I think you pick a school because of the program. I think that's the best reason to pick a place where you go to school. And I chose Texas State because when I was researching programs, Texas State, of all the other schools in Texas, I went to TCU even. And they have the Schaefer School of Journalism. I went to SMU. I went to UNT, and they have a good one too. But Texas State has this thing called MassCom Week, and I don't know if you'd be interested, but I could submit. And you would really, you're a really good teacher, and I think you would be great for it. Would you?
I am usually very open to go and speak to groups. I go back regularly and talk to the College of Liberal Arts, which is where I got one of my degrees here, and talk to students. But yeah, I'm usually open to pretty much any invitation like that to talk about the industry. Or
I didn't want to like put your name out there and then not have like, I'm not interested in doing this, because then it makes everybody look.
And honestly, it's something that's
coming up next semester.
Very much encouraged by our industry. We try to do a lot of outreach. It's one reason why we have even unpaid intern programs. They're less of a benefit for us than
I literally told you I would be an intern again just to do it again.
As an industry, we want to create opportunities for people to see what it's like inside the industry, to make our industry fresher, better, younger. So we have a proactive approach as an industry that my company is a part of, to take whatever opportunity we can to talk about whatever aspect of radio that would interest people, especially from the junior high, high school, and college level. So yeah, if we have an opportunity to go and
I would love to see you there. Or what's your boss's name again?
Jimbo.
He's hilarious.
Mm-hmm.
Also, I'd like to set up a time to follow him around before.
Yeah, you got to do that. Like I said, he works from 6 a.m. to 6 to 2. That's his hours.
Yeah.
So you like those early times. You might be able to shadow him.
Well, my girlfriend literally lives up the street, so it's very convenient to.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Definitely talk to him about
Do you have his? I don't have it. I was like, I don't have his contact ID, and I don't have a card.
Yeah, he should still be over there if you want to go talk to him. And he is. I don't remember calling him. I just walk over there. Get you his phone.